This is the quick video on how to install RealMotion Pro version 2.0 Apples. If you know you're having the old version which is lower than version 2.0, make sure you uninstall the old one before you can install the new one. To uninstall your RealMotion Pro, just go to Edit, Preference, and just go to your add-ons and search for RealMotion Pro. Now let's open it and just uninstall it. Now, after the uninstall, make sure you restart your Blender. For the add-on download, here, this is what you're going to find in your download library. You're going to find RealMotion Pro version 2 for Blender 3.6s and RealMotion Pro version 2 for Blender 5.0s. This one supports from Blender 3.6 to 4.5, and this one also supports from Blender 5.0s going. Okay, so and also have the main content pack, this for the full version, and also extra mockups and the preview. I'll show you how to install these three first after installing this in your Blender. The same pattern going on for the Mixamo and AutoRig and this one. For AutoRig, the same thing. These are the main add-on you need to install, and the main content pack for AutoRig is here, and the preview. The same thing goes for the Mixamo. Also have the same goes for the Rigify. Now let's go to the full version. For the installation, just go here and copy address at test, or you can just navigate to where you have it and just go and install. Now let's go to Blender and just go to Edit, Preference. Now click on this arrow and click on Install from this. Now I will navigate to where I have my content. Since this one I'm using Blender 4.5, I need to select the RealMotion Pro version 2 for Blender 3.6s. Since this one is within the range, I'm just going to select this and install it. If you're using Blender 5.0s, make sure you select this version. So I'm just going to select this, and after that it will install. So here I'm going to search for the RealMotion Pro, and it's going to be appear here. Right now there's extension add-on, so if you go to the extension, you are going to see it here. Now if you go to the sidebar and you go to RealMotion Pro, you can find it here. When I refresh the list, nothing here because we haven't installed the content. If you say please set the valid installation folder above, so here we can click on this and navigate to where you want to install your content. So just click on this folder. I can just choose to install it on my document, or I can choose any different path I want. I can choose to install on my D drive, or I can choose to install it on my document. So mostly the document is a preferred one. So I'm going to click on accept. So now after you have set your install location, I'm going to point to my content pack. So here we have main content pack. So just click on this folder icon. Now navigate to where you have your content pack. So this is the main content pack. So I'm going to select it and accept. You can just click on extract to extract them, and all of content are going to appear. If you want to include the extra mockups and the animation preview, you can just click on this and also choose the extra mockups file. So here's it, and I'm going to select also the preview. These two one are optional. You can just skip them if you don't want the extra mockups and the preview. Okay, you can also extract them one by one, or you can just click on extract them all and it's going to extract them all together. So I'm just going to click on extract all packs. Good, now it has finished install. Right now when I go to my RealMotion Pro tab here and I click on refresh, we can see our animation has been appear here, and the image are showing. Okay, so after this, you can see when I click on this, I can see all these animations has been loaded to here. Right now we have this move forward, next, and back, and also the previews also works. You can just click on preview and you're going to see it here. We have so many. So go to the retarget. You can also set path, and also you are going to see this. Since we also installed the extra mockups, you can also see it here. I can just import any dummy object into my scene and just select it and load animation to it. Okay, and it works. So what about if you want to switch to another Blender version? Say I have this Blender 4.5 and I want to install RealMotion Pro. So I'll just go to preference and I'm going to add-ons. I want to click on here, install, and I'm going to choose, since this one is Blender 5.0, I'm going to choose RealMotion Pro version 2 Blender 5.0s. Just click on this, and after the installation, let's search for RealMotion Pro here, and now let's open it. Now, okay, since we have already used Blender 4.2 to install the content, we can just use this one to point to where we have our content. So just click on this folder and navigate to where you have it. And now here I install it on my document. So just point to document and click on accept. Anywhere you install, just point to that folder and just click on accept. Okay, don't open the animation gen folder. Make sure you point to that one, okay, around this, and just click on accept, and you can see content ready at, okay, when you see content ready, that means it has been found. Now just click on save preference. This will make sure that anytime you restart Blender, you are going to have the path installed. Also, you can change your settings. Example, if you want to always, maybe if you want to always to be in Rigify mode, you can set it to Rigify. So anytime you open Blender, your default is Rigify. Okay, so Mixamo, the same thing, and save your preference. So that is how it works. This will help if you uninstall your add-on. It's not going to affect your content, because if you save any custom library, it's going to be saved there. Even though when you uninstall your Blender add-on, it's going to be stay on your content. So that's the end of the installation. Thank you.